stop the settings and fix the problem. I was just call me A+, honorable call me A+, as I was Gomwa Central Member of Parliament. Only some of the journalists and again upon Abe class John Mahama, Efa Enra. Helicopter now what Tinemu edit too far crab on Tennessee or he in so the yano said you see yiri Bonia Aya Accra a chrono and this Rebesia far so no into the helicopter FRUMO. I know say there be settings on AI Mahama de. Onya settings no. Now one fix the problem no. Omo Abe class with him, Mount Tribunal to the Wadi area mame. Ewa comment section. I PENYAH block media. Make sure say any demo. Over like video, no other my subscribe button, click verification and connect latest update. About the wide media mame. Ewa comment section. Over so. Not sure for any biash. And make can phone nala money send up any the amount. O USA, O UK, O sense ka ediko fee. Another for say. Use promo code PENYAH TV. That I say na. Use PENYAH TV na. If I say this ka eco fee. No on chow eco $20 for free. O send this ka coffee no. Na nala for so chow $20 as a bonus for free. Let's go to the station and watch you know. And I in some torrential rainfall be and fall Accra. Accra in there was a torrential rainfall in Sunni General chair for like 9 solid hours non-stop. In Sunni Tonsa for 9 hours non-stop. Emma Minoka said Accra de na ni enyan Accra nyina yiri ama amanfo ajapadia says cars enso pia cars ekose de cars near paper e we say areho yen hwe videos ni bi
Tagi wamuna wamumra Taifa Jansi ha Taifa Jansi nipa kaka anim se besre wonim pani bi abetimi afre na abetimi atagi na ye besre na wafre na oma beboa yen Ensoni sugusu to papa ensoni nti yakura ensoni gusu to ensoni gusu to higher Taifa Junction ya fire service for ya friend Nadmo for a camera so my number ni na you busy.
I'm being careful too. Thank you for looking up for me. I believe someone can even open a provision shop after siphoning all these things. Because see, they keep coming. I mean, look, just look at the far end. Just look at the far end. So I learned it's a warehouse. Yeah, it's a warehouse, and then they supply these things. These things you are seeing here: chewing gums, toiletries. I mean, gas cylinders. See, there's another gas cylinder coming through. These guys are literally risking their lives. If you just join us, please follow.
So this is live updates. This is our wall that is broken all the way. This is our neighbor's house, completely submerged. This is the streets at the back, also completely submerged. So you can imagine our compounds.
Man, same way, no, a bear on the internet. Obia, share opinion. I'm a man for a cancer. Now, no, ye hear more, a buying a whole lot of issue. Now, and run. And I said, the president, John Mahama, despite seeing the video and the damage ya flooding, you know, across this country, Ghana, no. Or yes, and you also ever buy an adding any. As I can't go here in court, the whole need the internet and so. And maybe a month for video, maybe it could be AI. I say it could be AI, you know. Or no super banana, adding any alcohol heavy quote, heavy. So that the women's hand say na in Sweden, no, Accra, this is the aftermath. Many quotements and be no. And when Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Standogwe, any housing ministry, no, a money be, any some of the security personnel be a far helicopter. And no more tofu a gumu, and no more train, no more to ferry. Far, the number crowd so far. Ghana at the expense of this miserable economy and this catastrophic occurrence that has befall this country, Ghana. President Epes Wohu, dear Akosono, or use helicopter and your fuel with petrol, your fuel helicopter, your bucket fuel, and your denenam. See, I heard Bonnier flood in a course. What happened to drone? Drone were how day. What happened to drone? Meanwhile, shots ya Mahama, a fly helicopter no, onya ya no, view onya ya no. Now bloggers see because they can fly drone. Come in Kuma cycle, so what they can fly drone. I'm a one ya clear shot, clear view. It is a certain person who born and flood the way across this country, Ghana. Must we incur cost fueling helicopter to fly over the city of Accra before you can see the damage this flooding has caused to this country? How? Say, drone wo hoye day. Say, with all due respect, say, drone wo hoye day. What happened to drone? Like what happened to drone shots? Drone wo hoye day. At the expense of this miserable economy, oye na we abɔ Ghana ye ni abre ye pa asen ye hu ehun ano ye abato sika sɛ ye bi say we have to fuel helicopter fly over the city of Accra to know what has happened. What happened to drone? What happened to drone? Na say me change me here no. Eno be na kwam A+. Any journalist be catch Mahama say he doesn't need to fly helicopter across the city of Accra before he can see the damage this flood has caused and find solution to it. No me say onya settings no na unfix the problem no.
And yes, see the situation no.
And yes,
Mama no be obeba be gina ho be catch yourself and wo be hunu problem aye woman tia e ma ne ma flood no. E ma ye enso e fire no. Say the panakachen so on cano cre. Because we have been in this situation for the past 20 years. 2015 e be ye west ye lose the 159 e wo man yi mu ye te ho committee. Committee ni ye na dwuma de ho amane ye beto abonten in July 2015 of August 2015 of that year na etiansa na ye beti committee report no recommendation bi o mo de ba ye plastic ye waste ye ntumi nkra ne ye ni hyehyɛ ye de manage no it was one o man just 2024 ye mampani eno so yiri ya ma ye hwe nipa baako o mampani ma ye tiase se ye wo engineering challenge as a country. A major challenger ya where ye nyina ya where and the promise is say obe fix sa engineering challenge no kwose se Ghana for ye benya hoto from flooding man ye mi say ye ho say that engineering challenge na mampani identify ye in 2024 before coming to power no how far with it Omampani ma ya aware say the sanitation ministry ye na dwuma was oboa na ahunide ho nsem we peye na sa plastic 70 ball asem nyina no yetimi control no man was obo obeye sub ministry na kwese local government ase ama local government ahye ye ball aso ma yen ye bisa say local government in all this no where are they Yura Med Ibrahim say ye sanitation ministry say the mampani kan because as at now no ye ni sanitation ministry. It is a yidi akwose local government minister say the mampani kan ye no a adwuma na kwose saying how far with your waste management no akwose saying man I was so surprised say eno so yiri fa yen na me hu Greater Accra regional minister a wona mu nso mu na ye kita ne nsa ye kita ne nsa a wona mu nso nti man no okwan
say o hwe
de
tibia
tibia omunya wedada I was so surprised not to see your man penny sort of helicopter mu assessing the flooding situation. Oh man, are they not aware of your situation?
They are.
Oh man, are they not aware? It's your man penny person say, and no tina helicopter mu kofa we mu no, and we say Ghana, you were engineering challenger na. It's also resolve it. The mandate to the task force I would say one more say one more ensure the flooding challenge, you know, and so you find no problem near there, they should identify the problem no more famra. The committee or say na Yura Standogbe, Yura Kennedy, Works and Housing Ministry, the minister he was part. Yema me Marietta Brew appear upon she was part. O man, ye me see I say report ben na committee ne de baye. Adwuma ben no mo ye. Etunim say ye ko such a situation mu a. Da bi o man say no entity first no. Ye ni ate pa. Omo ya aware. They know the problem, they know the challenge, they should fix it. And man in simwie. Now woman yana sif say won't take that, won't that a BC that fe BSc.
So yeah bon komoi. Anna all kind of make kai who say and some see even the approach and solutions to it. You know, maybe me go back into memory lane and draw our attention to it. Even we say money in our politicians no on for the cameras in quantity my
cameras they be no to say aban bi was yi
optics no
aban bi was no ai oh my can be favor near beka
yeah that's what they are doing that's the danger ahead of us the politicians in tie intricacy no we've seen through now all those intricacy no because what we need solutions to the challenge that we have over time.
Exactly. So, in fact, Ghanaians, we were not expecting that.
Okay, so my mention didn't make us say this game has been played for a long time. and kwenshia besi America
the best performing regional minister of Ghana Lindo Kulu Mesena obi amumwa me yemo yenseman waya dear so to flood na say o deserve award no because or the best regional minister e Ghana afena na muso be kita na nko so mujano so nim swimi
so ye kasa. That's why sometimes ye kasa ebiriminya akukudro kasa why do we queue to go and vote? We will continue to queue to go and vote. I didn't say mo mamma to anwe enwu ye ni biem because said the abneka no enya friend and show we ayira kire yo ya nim hwe kora no if you do 11 do back correct enye no na saa de we aboye kokko saa kokko boni mu nim de me yakora wo eripa dodo na omo body no echinchim hihia
na court compensation po yemfama wom compensation o de ya woni here some say I lady eni kobo me say omo compensation yemfama wom
say uhu binim tebia enna
aban lawyer gina court to defend say eno no ya torenchem enye obi mfom so.
Okay, so ene omunya kasa na edidi enti enso ye kasa ne say eye momom mfom so nyoma na dodo na esi no woni bia oda Ghana no eye mfom so one now the abedu some pempers so me tese mo ka say eye me ene wo na de bia da make me ne wo de na obese eye se wo nhihye wo mbra assembly wo nhihye wo mbra aban ma Ghana nhihye ma to me say assembly bia no eni wo kwan se o ma obi si dan esi nsuo so eni wo kwan se o ma obi block nsuo eni wo kwan se o ma obi to bola egu han eni wo kwan se o ma obi esi eni sa ne o ma nyina wo ntumi fanya adwuma wo ba be ka chem se eye me ene wo no sa me ne wo ne fi ne ba
so ne yiri fire wi afa na obi na ye ase ye dwen ye ho ama ase ye tema no wo ho no ama o man ye wie ya ye de helicopter fa kroma regional minister ne nam nsuo mu ne ade yi o man na wo de release tintin aba na ma direct metropolitan DS ni na no say they should go to their communities. Go to which communities?
The last time I make us Environmental Protection Authority announces ban on polyester foam mattress effective 1st January 2027. EP4 Trokrata tintin by January 2027. Nyoma one be ban any or my Trokrata tintin and I asked a professor, I said, Ade amuyi ediewu. Ade na ye jibra twa.
Ekosi 2021. Ansan mo dia yadwuma.
Even 2027 kwa enkontompo. It cannot be fair.
Oh man, me say it should be now.
It cannot be fair. Me who kra ye ma poison. You see ye twa ma poison ye dia mawa kopem. Ye 2027 January 1 because
ansan ye ja eno krampo do de dru hot ma bete ho asem.
Ya sa ma ho kwan se ade na pese esote no ana yifri ho no ya sa ma ho kwan se enkoso mbra o man ni ma kopem se 2027. Can you imagine? So we are not serving ourselves, so we are not serving the country, and I told you on my way no it's just a matter of serving interests, political interests, serving individual interests at the expense of the country. Apart from issue full glare ye na ye hweti ade ni kwa se ye de amanyo se apply kwa they apply this one will be a shifty blame na me ho who takes that responsibility to say
man yankasan ye bet said ye de blame ne beto no so it is not their duty to tell us because adiena just 2 years ago na enye papa I will realize ye ehunu say what engineering problem no man it is over a year again why they found and when him send ra me ne tedi na me che kofi ewati ho me ne tedi oye deputy director nadmu edi nkomo ekosi senso ena me bisa no say oh so omokra no mo hyase no mo ye demolition no mo ye demolition no na Ghana for bom machi emo mo backlash eno mo jaye na say na
this is a nadmu person
man na say na nsuo no aka obi ayira fo obi ane de so omokwa back so omokwa ko ye demolition na Ghana for better wo machi
yentiase
ena me bisa say ntina wo twense nsuo yiri fa yen
yentiase
ansa ne abagie to.
Are you sure that's the response he gave you?
Man that is what the response he gave me yesterday on Ekosi Senteni
nadmu.
Enti ne chese wajai se wonye demolition ni biem ade won kasa wonim se eye de wo se wo ye because na maybe say senti ga e dey na chese na wo san koba kakwa demolition na Ghana fon kasa enti na you were waiting say nso nto na yiri fa ye nyina.
We are not truthful to ourselves. That's the challenge.
Hey, oh man.
We are not truthful. So one two was
fear some people.
We are not truthful to ourselves.
Oh man, so nipa.
A nipa de.
So nipa.
Apart from say catching children, nipa de so nipa da.
Oh man, me say.
Tutu amanyoni.
Afidie ni yina.
Yeah.
Opetumi na ne kasanko. Onye tumi ni wi a ne kasanko. Me so bia no beka che me say onim your problem man so yiri fa yen. You don't need to sit in a helicopter to know.
We had this engineer is it Amon Kote for I think he's spoken on this matter for almost 20 years. Wabre say Otegana and Kwansi say cry I mean sure say obey willing to even comment about it because he's tired.
Sheni pay nkwara enra nkwara videos a me hu ye mamua mienu videos che sensu no oh my goodness.
So that's the point until we get to a point where Ghana wants to be here. So I say Ghana wants to Obieka Samara boy and I was say kropo and I garamsi but the point is that Samara boy was say kropo say garamsi na amane basa garamsi de jayana
yenya yegusu kwaso
and the brekum garamsi
brekum yes leg busumchi no arpa na mahunu say ye radu twuma po say wonyina galamsi e kwaso
leg busumchi how? You are asking yourself, sir, why do we vote? We vote to get the situation worse or to get it better? We vote to get the situation worse or to get it better. And that's what makes us say, if indeed the NDC wants to reset the country, no, it's a total deviation. When you say reset, this can't be reset. A reset at the Biabe comprises women the Wahona or Mukrawadian or Mutimia reset Debbie.
Debbie want to be a reset. Want to be a Nagana for song. And only idea and a median say, oh man, Mayami who say Ebimu go back to Garrett. I bet say $200 million. I'm a bandano, and the same Musi and Fanya project. Or man median say what evidence to that effect and Yakasaka kill. And now somebody I could not to say, and Nipa Bakumi and Numi and Sawa committee. Ya this has to carry mom some Fanya Jumano or man to me and ye choma. What's a court? No man see they should give us a break and fix the challenge. Because the yet any met you for air kano and so the young child.
It's so sad to say. So in Christian villager, there's a huge for the past 20 years I've been in Accra. Counting. And show be a ton of friend. And they quite a friend show no if you hold in tranet. It you are the abobia but choco na say now the abobia that's what we have been doing and rather can't come. It one day grind na break the book na
and pay from 7 to Tesano o man. Traffic jinemu no nya traffic to ma 7 no obi a wona mokwa no so a wo ba se wo dru pokuase na wo ba bi foforo bi a betumi awura dia because pokuase no wotumi fo no ma ko wura kwa benya ne ade a timi besi dome ba se wo se wo di ma 7 dia traffic no etuomu sa bedru tesa no.
And when you ask the question about police post on them depot on them no hwensu eta on them issue to be top na why I a problem. We'll be right back after.
See, the truth be only one. The truth is the only one, and we for try to speak on. You see, say yesterday, he flood, he rained, he flood. The only thing President go fit do for you people be say, go fly helicopter and watch, and he go feel sad. That is all you go fit get to. They feel sad. Then you go fit get MPs like John Dumelo, them, they be good guys, they be nice guys, so they go wear shorts and Wellington boots, and come and walk around, pretend as if they go fit do something. They don't go fit do anything. And I like the part John Dumelo tell the guy, say that thing I don't go fit do. I'm not like, go break the bridge. I don't go fit do. I'm unless dry season. You see, you for talk true, you for tell the people the truth. And John, I commend you for that one. Hey, MP, go and demolish the bridge. We cannot do it. Tell the people the truth. No matter how they feel about it, tell them the truth. The president will fly helicopter, look, he feel bad, say, oh, my country, what they happened. But, you see, there is not much he can do. And this whole rain we talk about, it be just for today, tomorrow. If the rain will come again, I'll see you again next year for this same conversation. So you know like Kwame Plus. Because what? I will see you again next year for this same fucking conversation. This same fucking conversation. They say, plus, no, they respect him body. MP for no use at all. I said, we will meet again here on this same Facebook platform for this same fucking conversation. You guys have a problem. The politician will never solve your problem. The politician will never solve your problem. You can say whatever you like about Kwame Plus. Look, today we go to parliament and people read statements about the flooding. You see, I wear jalabia where at the house. That statement where we they go read about flood, what it will cost. At the house, I wear jalabia. What will it do to this country? The problem will be only the politician. It be us. We built drainage for this country for 6 million people. It included Tema. Today, as we speak, Tema start to show signs of flooding, and some areas they flood because the drainage where we built for 6 million people today, it serve 35 million people, and they expect say when the rain come, make it go, and the 35 million people, not be say everybody follow some law or some order. Everybody just put in house where he wants. Look, in this country where we dey, it be people they create community before government they bring road. Now same way what to do we are said that. Is there a place in this world where the people enter the bush? Amasaman Pukwase, Dodowa, it be the people where they go there, they go create a community before government go bring road and utility. But we have town planning in this country. The only thing we go solve this whole problem where people die, where it hurt me say people die. We say we could demolish a lot of houses. But how are we going to do that? Where are they going? Where should they go? Where was the state when we were doing all of this? If they open the Wager Dam today and we're looking at the rain and the level where the thing they go open them or make the dam blast. If it blast, that kind of things will go happen. So we not go to make the dam blast. So if we open them, so people that get ready, a lot they can happen for there. Who be in charge of zoning for this country? Some people for be in charge of zoning, they for zone the area. They for not allow you to build in a certain area. They call them town planning. Any country will not get town planning, that country no go develop. If you no get town planning and everybody they put in house anywhere, how do you expect to develop? And for so many years, town planning no work, and so many people, hundreds of thousands of houses they anywhere, and you expect say tomorrow because John Mahama make president, if we solve this problem, look, make we talk true to ourselves. If you expect say Kwame Plus, the rain they come my house, somebody they call me. You rain they come my house, me I they stand there they watch the rain they come. You to their house, you they call me. How can you be crying to the house of the bereaved? You want to cry to the baby Obi or baby Momu soon or who this soon call her? Was I not on video showing you that me I get problem? Me I get problem. And you are crying to my house. The problem we have as a country, the problem where we no go fit solve them. Unless we take drastic measures by pulling down your house. Is it possible to do that? To pull down hundreds of thousands of houses? Is it possible? So, we the Akans have a proverb. If not, in the next 10 years, we won't have Accra. Because Accra is developing without a plan. So we have to prevent. You don't want to talk about this. You, the people where you stay in an area, you dare the area, you they live in that area. And you see, say somebody they fill waterway, somebody they fill place where water they to build on top. And all of you, maybe 5,000 people, maybe 1,000 people can't come together and fight one person because the person is some politician. Because he came, you cannot fight one person. The Constitution of Ghana says we for protect. You see, the Constitution to protect you to defend this country. And if one politician come, where that politician come with soldier and police, they hold gun, and he want to do something where it not be right, that guy is an oppressor. He wants to oppress you. And the National Times says you help us to resist the oppressor's rule. Nobody for oppress you. You dey community inside. You dey see people they build. So it not be only the politician. It be the people and the states together. The solution be say we go demolish and render people homeless and destroy a lot of property, which I don't recommend. We cannot do it. So now let's look at how we can at least enjoy this flooding and create some drainage to minimize it. But going forward, there must be a law that states that any land where they no zone them, they no scheme them, do layout, where they approve them by the district assembly and maybe the Works and Housing Ministry, you cannot sell it. And anybody where you buy land, we have district assemblies, we have assemblymen in that small area, we have unit committee. Now government saving assemblymen, they will give them money. What is their work? Why are you the assembly? Why are you sitting down? Show me a report that says that you reported. Me, they call me, say, make I go World Cup, make I go watch ball. They go buy me a ticket, they go pay my hotel and things. I write letter to them, say, I no go. So tomorrow, if you make matter, I go bring the letter and show the whole Ghana, say, I say, make government no take any money, buy me ticket, make I go watch ball. I no want go. If government they go on a training, we go on, I go. To go and watch football, no, government no buy me any ticket. John Mahama no talk that one. He said we no go buy ticket for people to go watch football. So I know, like, I put it in writing. It did there, it be record. Right now, I no go come show, put the letter on social media. But if tomorrow, 10 matter where they talk, me come here plus, I say, don't use taxpayers' money to buy ticket for me to go and watch football. I no want go. So you, the assemblyman, where you did there. When our government say go pay you, as they build in the waterway, you must not go there with cutlass and go and kill person, but write to the district assembly. Put it on record. So that today, when the thing come, you go show, say, I told the DC, I told the MC, this is what I sent to him. This is what I sent to him. The chiefs, custodians of land, they cannot sell land. There should be a law. They cannot sell land where they don't approve them for residential. They don't approve them. Look, me, inside Guma. You see the reason why I keep telling people democracy, it won't help you. Me, the place where I want to develop a whole new city. Look, nigga, see, bro, listen to me. There's nobody. See, me, I come inside this life, say, God say, make I do something. So we either say, I go do that thing, so that when I go to God, I go report to God, say, God, I beg, as you send me, then you say, make I go do this and this and this. So I do them where I come. But if I say, when I go to God, I don't get any proper report to go give God there, they make we fight, they make we all die. Because we don't do anything for you. No be sick of rice and chicken where we come here. We don't come here for banku and tilapia. We come here to develop this world better than we met it. So if you try to stop me, somebody go die. And I tell everybody. So me, the place where I want to develop, it has to have a scheme. Nobody can just put anything anywhere. We have to think about moving some things out of Accra. Accra is not Ghana. Everything there inside Accra, and you don't want Accra to be congested. You don't see anything yet, too. Something serious they come happen. It be fact. It be fact. You don't like the truth. You just no one hear the truth. If Jesus Christ come this world, in their room where they mind in business like they kill him. So me. I they expect this morning I they talk to somebody say, so you know the fear. Me, when I go sleep hotel, the fear come knock on my door. Housekeeping, make I wake up. Me, I sleep, make I wake up, make housekeeping come clean the room. Me. I've been important past Queen Elizabeth way for 70 years. If you see before you wake up, they play music for him. To wake him up. Himself he die. Then me, a day here they think about the day I go die. I know they think about him. I think about doing the right thing. And there are some people who will do the wrong thing and come back and come and blame me. Fuck you. Like I'm telling you straight in your face, fuck you. You cannot do the wrong thing and come and blame me. I will not accept it. And nobody say, oh, A+, you have to be a nice guy. You have to have self-respect. You have to respect yourself. The people where they respect themselves, it stop flooding. You have to talk to people where they respect themselves, run this country for so many years. Nothing changed. Now, those of us who we know they respect ourselves to give us opportunity, make we see something will change. Yeah. The people where they respect themselves, they wear tie, they be gentlemen. They run this country for so many years, almost 70 years. We don't see anything.
Because we are tired of these settings, these tactics, and they say, I say, a homo bro yeah, we are tired. This game, we are tired. This game mix, we are tired. We are tired of this game mix. Now, as I say, I say, oh, sympathy be, I say, me real home, mamma, minimum in our real who bomu pet, and no, only a real who bomu no, and fast solution be a ma. The pragmatic approach that will be laid down to curb this catastrophic occurrence from happening again. And no, that the baby beba, and yeah, what helicopter muna, why you sad, why you bossa, and only yeah, you are sympathizing with the country, but and no name for shame, ma. And for shame, ma. So, I will comment section. I PENYAH Media, Accra.